Millions of dates are gathered from towering palms and processed in a whirlwind of motion. They are washed, sorted, and packed with astonishing speed and precision. The production process begins in vast date plantations, often comprising thousands of towering date palms. Each tree can yield 100–300 pounds of fruit annually. Harvesting is seasonal, occurring once a year when the fruit ripens, usually between August and October, depending on the region and variety. Harvesting teams, often equipped with harnesses and mechanical lifts, climb the trees or use elevated platforms to cut down heavy bunches of dates. These bunches, each holding hundreds of fruits, are carefully lowered into collection bins to avoid bruising. In larger plantations, mechanized harvesting arms or hydraulic lifters are used, reducing manual labor. The harvested dates are immediately loaded into open-top crates and transferred by tractor-pulled trailers or trucks to nearby processing factories, sometimes located within or adjacent to the plantation itself. Speed is critical, as high temperatures can rapidly degrade the fruit. Upon arrival at the factory, trucks back into designated unloading zones, where the crates of dates are emptied into stainless steel hoppers that feed the fruits onto conveyor belts. These conveyors move the dates steadily through a series of inspection and sorting stations. The first phase of inspection uses mechanical systems like vibrating screens and high-pressure air jets to remove debris, such as leaves, sand, stems, or insects. Following this, the dates pass through an initial quality check managed by human inspectors, who stand alongside fast-moving belts to spot any visibly damaged or spoiled fruits. Dates are then directed into the washing section of the factory via enclosed conveyor chutes to prevent contamination. In this section, the fruit passes through multiple stages of washing, often beginning with large rotating drums that gently agitate the fruit while spraying it with purified water. To increase efficiency and accuracy, advanced facilities employ optical sorting systems equipped with high-speed cameras and infrared sensors to automatically detect issues such as discoloration, mold, and inconsistent sizes. These smart machines instantly eject flawed fruits from the line using targeted puffs of air. Only dates that meet strict criteria for size, ripeness, and appearance proceed to the next phase, while the rejected ones are diverted to be used as animal feed or in secondary products like low-grade syrup or ethanol. The dates pass through automated vision systems that reassess the fruit's shape, size, and sugar density using near-infrared sensors and real-time imaging. Based on these measurements, the dates are divided into multiple grades: premium, standard, and industrial grade, each destined for different market segments. Higher-end dates are rerouted to special finishing areas, while others continue down the production line for standard packaging. Throughout this process, human operators monitor multiple computer terminals and video feeds to oversee the automated systems and intervene quickly if any issue is detected. The dates are transferred to the packaging department via wide, segmented conveyors designed to reduce jostling and preserve the fruit's integrity. At the beginning of the line, automated weighing stations portion the dates into exact quantities for retail or bulk packaging. High-speed form-fill seal machines package these portions into plastic pouches, trays, or vacuum-sealed bags, depending on the product line. The machines form each package from flat sheets of food-grade film, fill them with dates, and heat-seal them shut in a continuous motion. Some units are equipped with nitrogen flush capabilities to displace oxygen and extend shelf life. Labeling systems apply printed stickers or direct ink stamps to include product information, barcodes, batch numbers, expiration dates, and country of origin labels. In this zone, human workers are stationed at final quality checkpoints to ensure packaging integrity, correct labeling, and clean seals. Faulty packages are automatically diverted for rework or disposal, ensuring only fully compliant units enter the cold storage area. When orders are placed, the dates are retrieved from cold storage and moved into the shipping zone, where logistics staff sort them by destination and loading schedule. Pallets are scanned, shrink-wrapped, and loaded onto refrigerated trucks or shipping containers. For export shipments, additional documentation and inspections are conducted to comply with customs and food safety regulations of importing countries. The journey of each date is tightly managed and documented, with every phase built for speed, hygiene, precision, and maximum efficiency to serve a global market.